Okay, Susan, this looks ready.
It's a melon.
Oh, it's sweet.
And
This is the melon that we grow from the seed.
And it's our first ever melon that we've grown in England in a greenhouse.
No, this is the second one
Oh,
actually.
second, okay.
We have one over
I've
the
cut it, and we will have a melon eating ceremony tonight. Oh God, it smells like melon.
So ripe.
Really sweet. There's another one here.
Yeah, not recording. Okay, this melon also we cut. So you have 2 melons now. I thought you already have them. You have 4 melons then.
Oh, here we go, the stormy daniels. No, I haven't. 2, but this is England.
Yeah, that's very amazing
And
that we
this is
can grow.
amazing that we grew melons without any fancy greenhouses and tropic environment. And
The Bob melons.
what have you done to my Bobby? Oh my God! I had no idea.
What? Where is the melons? Oh no, you're there. Okay.
Oh my God, my poor Bobby. It looks like